In this video, I'm going to show you ChatGPT in under 2 to 3 minutes. You better strap on your seatbelts because this is going to get real crazy. ChatGPT in under 2 minutes. Let's go. I'm not going to show you how to log in, but really quick, fast tutorial, you're just going to type up something and you're going to say, can you give me the top 3 issues in affiliate marketing? And you're going to wait for the response, and it's going to tell you that. Now, let's say that you need these 3 things and you're going to create a YouTube video about it. And so it's going to give you these 3 issues, top 3 issues with affiliate marketing. You say, can you give me that in a Dr. Seuss voice? You can get very creative. It's going to give you a response. It's going to create, this is actually pretty cool. And so as you see, this is very creative, all right? You can come in here, you can add anything. It's a conversational style. You do questions in there and you say, can you make this into a YouTube script under 3 minutes long? Let's see. Let's see what this comes up with. I'm very interested. It's thinking. This actually is spitting out some stuff. Let's see what it comes up with. Wow. I'm shocked. It's giving the business right now. All right. I'm blown away. All right. I think we've gone over our 2 minutes, but look, in a short time, you can see the power behind this. This is really going to give me a YouTube video, a script to make about 3 issues in affiliate marketing. So as you can see, this is extremely powerful. I've really showed you everything just that fast of what you need to know when it comes to making money online, and anything else really when it comes to ChatGPT. You can ask it just about anything and it'll have a very good answer. So this is very phenomenal when it comes to research-based things, and it's still going. It's still going. I can't believe it. All right, so I'm going to cut this video short. I'm completely blown by this. I'd never done that part before. So you can ask it to do essays, YouTube videos, songs, and plenty of other things. So if you like this type of video, if you want me to do more videos on ChatGPT and what it can do, go ahead and drop me some comments down below. Give me a hashtag information or hashtag more down in the comments. I also have a lot of free courses for you guys. As I said earlier, I do a lot of things to make money online. I have a free course specifically that will teach you how to make 6 figures using email. Also just created a webinar that shows you how to build a 5 to 6 figure business using only email and affiliate marketing and replace your 9-to-5 income. So check out the description. I got a lot of cool stuff for you guys. Don't forget to hit that like button and that subscribe button. We'll talk to you soon.